Let's learn how to download and install Microsoft PowerPoint for free. If you want to know how to download and install Microsoft PowerPoint for free, then follow this step-by-step video till the end. First, you need to search for Microsoft Store on your PC. Now click on the Microsoft Store. Once you are in the Microsoft Store, search for Office 365. Now, as you can see, Microsoft 365 Office is completely free. However, you may notice that some versions have a price. Next, click on Microsoft 365 Office. Here, you need to install it. After installing it, Microsoft 365 Office will be installed on your PC. If you prefer a different method, open your web browser. Search for Office 365 here. Click on Microsoft 365 Login. Here, you can see that the all-new Microsoft 365 allows you to create, share, and collaborate all in one place with your favorite apps. Now click on Sign In. You need to enter your email address here. Once you've logged in, navigate to this section and you will see a box that says Install Apps. Clicking on it will take you to a window like this. To access PowerPoint, you will find all your apps listed on the left-hand side. Click on PowerPoint. From here, you'll be able to use PowerPoint for free. Click on New Blank Presentation and you will see PowerPoint starting up. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe and like the video.